Why your notes deserve freedom. Most popular note apps trap your data in proprietary formats and force cloud subscriptions. Open source alternatives give you full ownership, end-to-end encryption, and the freedom to sync on your own terms. Today we'll explore 5 that work seamlessly across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. The lock-in trap of proprietary apps. Apps like Evernote or OneNote store notes in closed formats, limit export, and can change pricing overnight. If the service shuts down, your workflow breaks. Open source apps use plain text, Markdown, or open databases, so you always control your data. What you need for self-hosted sync. Before picking an app, decide how you'll sync. Most support WebDAV, Nextcloud, or custom servers. You'll need a server, VPS, NAS, or Raspberry Pi, a domain or dynamic DNS, and basic comfort with Docker or command line setup. We'll highlight each app's preferred sync method. Joplin, Markdown Powerhouse. Joplin stores notes as Markdown files with front matter, supports notebooks, tags, and attachments. Sync works with Nextcloud, WebDAV, Dropbox, or OneDrive. The desktop and mobile apps share a clean interface, and encryption is optional but robust. Standard Notes, privacy first. Standard Notes focuses on longevity and encryption. Every note is encrypted locally before sync. The free tier includes unlimited devices and sync via their open-source server or self-hosted standard file. Extensions add Markdown, code blocks, and themes. NoteSnook, modern open-source alternative. NoteSnook offers a polished UI with nested notebooks, rich text, and Markdown support. Sync uses their end-to-end encrypted cloud or a self-hosted Monocle server. The free plan includes all core features across platforms, and the codebase is fully open. Trillium Notes, hierarchical knowledge base. Trillium excels at building a personal wiki with hierarchical notes, attributes, and scripting. It runs as a self-hosted server, Docker, with a web client and optional desktop wrapper. Sync is built in via the server, encryption is handled at the server level. Logseq, local-first outliner. Logseq is a local-first outliner that stores plain Markdown or org mode files in a folder. Sync is up to you. Use Syncthing, Git, or any file sync tool. It supports bidirectional links, queries, and plugins. No account required, completely offline capable. Sync methods compared. Each app handles sync differently. Joplin and NoteSnook support WebDAV Nextcloud out of the box. Standard Notes uses its own standard file protocol. Trillium runs its own server. Logseq leaves sync entirely to you. Choose based on your infrastructure comfort. Common mistake, skipping encryption setup. Many users enable sync but forget to verify encryption. Joplin and NoteSnook require explicit encryption passwords. Standard Notes encrypts by default, but you must safeguard the recovery key. Trillium relies on server HTTPS and disk encryption. Always test restore from backup. Useful extra, mobile widgets and quick capture. All 5 apps offer Android and iOS apps. Joplin and NoteSnook provide home screen widgets for quick note creation. Standard Notes has a capture extension. Logseq's mobile app supports quick capture via ShareSheet. Trillium's web client works in mobile browsers. Set up your preferred capture flow. Final checklist, your setup plan. Pick one app that matches your note style and sync preference. Provision your server or WebDAV endpoint. Install the app on all devices, enable encryption, and run a test sync. Backup your encryption keys. Automate server backups. You now own a private, cross-platform note system